happy.
Camper. Welcome to south of Baja, California. Woohoo! Woohoo! Unicorn in Moscow! Is to clean all the bacteria, everything that you have under your car. Here, Fabian is paying him. Oh, gracias. This is the ticket.
What I do? Ask him.
¿Qué tenemos que hacer? Solo pasar o paramos? Solo pasar. Okay.
What is that?
You only need to pass slowly and we'll clean. This is to clean everything. Pass and that's it.
There we go.
Yeah. It's clean. Yeah, that's it. Do you feel that you were cleaning? They ask us if we will have fruits, if we will have vegetables, if we will have seafood and things like that, but they are lucky because we don't have anything. We are in zero food, and because of this we need to go to Guerrero Negro. These days on the beach were amazing, but we finished everything, all the subministers that we had for food.
We are in Guerrero Negro. This is the supermercado. We got water for $4 or something, drinking water, all good.
Yeah.
And we did the laundry. I mean, the laundry, by the way, is right now done. Somebody's taking care for $3. So we have 2 hours, she said, and now we're gonna go stock up food and then we move on. Big supermarket.
Yeah.
No peros.
Wow. Mexican supermarket.
First time.
I am in paradise with the fruits and vegetables.
We are in the middle of the jungle.
Look at this. This is amazing. How change.
Bom dia. Bom dia, Uni. Uni. Ai, ai, ai. Bom dia.
And now he's moving and the thing's not moving.
What do you think of this place?
Really good. really beautiful. I really like it. So calm, quiet.
Look, we put up the hammock.
Let me show Fabian the hammock then. Like this. Wow, he's in heaven. Look this view. So nice.
Served, dinner served.
Yeah. Starts to be tight. The mission is here to our right.
The only thing is like there's 100 dogs.
Mission San Ignacio. There it is. Wow. Here we are on the mission in San Ignacio city. Look at this church. Fabian was checking the oil and was saying that we need to fill. That was 3 liters. Then, like we did I think last time was White Horse, we will do it again. That's it. Here we are in San Ignacio, Mexico, and look at this breakfast. Fabian have agua
De Jamaica.
new for us. We never tried
From
before.
a flour.
Exactly.
Huevos
And-
rancheros.
And I have chilaquiles. It's a kind of tortilla, red tortilla that's come with, oh, that's amazing. I love it. So nice.
Nice.